Gav, fantastic victory away from home. You must be delighted with the result and the performance out there.
Yeah, fair dues to the boys, mate. I think they were brilliant today. We passed the ball with a tempo, we pressed, and to be honest with you, at times they just couldn't live with us, but the way that we were passing on that pitch. I know the score says 5-1. Truthfully, with the amount of chances that we missed as well, it could have been. Well, we've been on the 10-1 loss, mate, and it could have been one of them, to be truthful.
How important do you think those two late first half goals were? Because, as you said, Aber had the chances in the first half. If it'd gone into half time 1-0 down, I'm sure the lads would have been absolutely devastated.
Yeah, I think to be true, obviously with the amount of chances that we did create first half, we were expecting, one to go in, and then momentum starts, to be truthful. But overall, as I said, mate, between first half and second half performance, we were brighter, we were sharper, and we caused havoc, mate.
Is there any players out there that stood out for you today? I know obviously Mendes scoring twice. Or were you just looking at that was a fantastic team performance?
I would say, mate, so from back to front, to be honest with you, we've defended, we've given them the goal, to be honest. It was a bad pass back by Ryan. But same thing again, Lee Jenkins, mate, he's coming through as an old campaigner, to be honest with you. He's had to deal with a big lad up top today, and he dealt with him. Then the opposite way, Paolo's hold the ball up with us, Mark Williams, Joey, Tom, they've been absolutely fantastic, mate. I can't fault anybody's performance there, they've been spot on.
After the last obviously very positive results and very positive performances in the last couple of games, with the Carmarthen victory, going into the next game now, do you think all the spirits are high, really feeling positive now?
Oh, massive, mate. We needed 3 points today. We were unlucky to get, I would say, in the last couple of games, not to get the maximum points. Penabont away, that was the killer for us. But in the end of the day, we haven't lost in October. We're in the semi-final of the Cup, and slowly now we're gathering momentum. And if we could play as what we did today, and that's key, with again Stuart Jones to come back into the team, Luke Bamford to come back into the team. Again, two massive characters into the squad. So, yeah, at this moment of time, I can't moan. Everything's looking good.
After results like these, I bet you look forward to the next game a lot more, and as the whole team do, excited to just carry on this run.
Yeah, well, you can't get any better, mate. We're live on TV on Friday night next week against Bala, and fair dues, if we can take that, what we've done today, and the last couple of weeks, to be truthful to you, we can match anybody.
Congratulations on the win.
Thanks, mate.